Okay, hello everybody. I've had a couple questions on how to use Gale, so I thought I would get on here and just show you how to use it. So I'm on here. There are a few different databases you can use. Now this is just from the link I shared with you on Classroom, but you can access this through the DeSales Media Center link. I'm going to go to opposing viewpoints because I feel like an analysis essay, if you are pulling in a scholarly article, this might be your best bet. So I'm going to go to opposing viewpoints because if you are pulling in an idea from somebody else, this might be your best bet. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with Google so they can access my account. I'm going to click my account here. And they will show you this when we go to the library, but I'm just going to show you here. So I'm going to sign in with Google, allow them to access my information in my drive, because this is the nice thing. You can add all of this into your drive. Now, I'm accessing opposing viewpoints, but you can have other information here. Now, let's say I am picking a character from Lear for the character analysis option. So I want to add in keywords here. Let's just say King Lear play as a basis. There are going to be different things that come up. Now, you'll see it has videos, audio, magazines, news. I don't want audio, videos, or magazines. I want peer-reviewed journals. So I'm going to check mark that option and see they don't have any results. So let's just type in King Lear, and I will put in Edmund. And I will search that. And you will see I only have magazines and news, so I guess I need to go back to the starting table. So let's see, go back to Gale. And let's just go to library website. Maybe this is something you will have to do. We'll go to the media center. If you run into this problem, you have to use the right keywords. So since opposing viewpoints didn't work, I'm going to go to the Gale Literature Resource Center. I'm just going to type in King Lear play. See what comes up. Now, see, I have a lot more hits here. Literature criticism, that's exactly what I want. But there are a lot of results here, and I don't know exactly what I want here. So how about we type in Edmund after that? See what comes up. Now, this has narrowed my search down to 2 options, but I don't really know what they are. So we're just going to go back to King Lear play, and I'm going to start a topic finder. The topic finder is a nice little tool to use. Oh, see that? That's really awesome. So now I have all of these great things to choose from. Maybe I can go to tragedy. And, you know, there's just not really anything I want there. Playwright. Yeah, there's just nothing I want there. Let's reset it, see what happens. Edgar pops up. Here we go. The Naked Fellow, Performing, Feral River. So, you know, there's just a lot of things you can choose from here, and it's really going to narrow your search down. So try this. If you can't find something through here, we can try InfoHio or a different database search. And if you have other questions, just let me know and we can work on that.